Hello friend, welcome to the Technology YouTube channel. In this another video of Microsoft Office tips and tricks. In this video, we will learn about the multi-level filters we can use in Microsoft Excel. Which version ever you using currently 2007, 10, 13 or above newer latest versions. And like I am using Office 365 latest version in my system, so we will create multi-level filters in Microsoft Excel. I have a demo file of this Excel data. I have a use data of 50 people's of the New Delhi. It's a demo data. Basically I have this created this data, so we can use multi-level format, multi-level of filters in this data to find out our required data from here. So if we want like khosla, how many khoslas here, we simply use the filters here in the similar DOBs, in similar age, similar sex, eligibility for voting, and according to their wards, sectors, colonies, like addresses. So simply we will perform this by using the filters here, and we'll going here, sorting A to Z like this. But in this video we will learn something different methods. So we will just select the data, Control A, and the whole the data will be selected, and pressing from the keyboard Control T, and tick here my date table has headers, and place the yes. So we can format it according to our requirement of the table, but you can just let it just it be. So here's a filter button added in the each of these columns. So we want to filter from each one, like I want only eligible persons here who can vote. So I will just tick on the yes and okay. So I can see only data which are eligible to vote. Some of data are hidden here for non eligible of data. So I can remove, clear the filter, and I will just tick on the no, the people who are not eligible for it. Has only six people are not eligible for vote, but it is a manual form of creating a filter. So I want to create and sorting tables by custom with the multiple levels. So we will create first one. We will sort the data according to the people's ID. So it will be on its a serial numbers. So cell value and the largest, smallest to largest. I will add another level. So we want um, from according to the age. Next one according to the age. So current age, small largest. Next filter we want to eligible for voting, eligible for voting. Next field we want from different is words. So we want from the word, and another level we want, this is for sectors. So these five parameters will filter our data in this Excel. So just done. So it is sequential, but some of will be not sequence. So there is a filters our data. First it will be create according to this. If we want to remove here from true, just go to custom fields. We don't want to people ID, because people ID is the first people ID. We want to delete this label. We just delete these labels. Current age, according to current age, there first will be age by age. So if we want to another parameter like how many words people's in the settings. So current age also is not required as eligible for voting. uh, okay, let's put it eligible for voting, and these are eligible for voting. First also no, and then yes, no one, and then yes. So next one we will remove this also, just like this word and the sectors from the sequential order, one to different sectors. Because of this number word and then two, that's why it is not sorting according to our requirements like this, 1, 10, 11. So let's solve this problem. So we will place it, just to place one, and go to the down cell, below cell of this data, and press Control E. This will face the flash field. So this is flash field. We will delete this just in this color to word. custom filter. So sectors, according to the sector numbers and sector numbers, sector is also a similar problem here is. So let's insert another columns and place here and place here 9 and control E, and we will delete this. There was a data glitch here. We will sort by the a is a word and the level with the so sector, and this is we don't know, sort by and then. Okay, so see, from the word number 1 only 1 person, word number 2 there is a 6 persons, 5, okay, 5 persons, sector number 9 has 1 person, 16 1 person, 23 27. So then it's a sorting according to this, we can sorting according to only sectors, only words. This is how we can place the value. Only is sorted only first, it looks two number words data and sorted according to the available data. Like in the two number word there is a sector number 16, 20, 22, 23, 27 uh, of sector are in placed in here. In the three number there is a 12, 12, 26, 30 and 2 30 in sector number 3. Then 4 number it according to the your first data first place and the second the going to according to your needs. So similar data functioning you can do in your data sheets. This is just a demo. If you want to in the real data, please provide me or comment down below the video, and we will make another session of the video in long sessions according to your comments. So please give responses here, subscribe channel. Thanks for watching, and wait for next session or next part of the video. Thank you.